The Genesee County Park and Forest is located in the southern aspect of Genesee County. The park encompasses almost 1 square mile of acreage. You know, we really have a 4-season opportunity for recreation. The winter activities, we have a snowmobile trail that runs, connects into the countywide system. So there's a trailhead here, and individuals can drop off their snowmobiles, jump on them, and head out through the trail system. In the fall, we get a lot of people that want to look at the leaves change color. And then in the spring, obviously, we have the opportunity to view the forest in a different look without any leaves on the trees. See a lot of the amphibians come alive and hear them at night. And then obviously the summer season, when we're really the busiest, the recreational aspect of the picnics and the walking and biking and all those type of activities really come alive. So it gives you a lot of opportunities to really do a number of different activities. You can bird watch, you can just take regular hikes. We also have horseback riding. There are 10 miles of trails located within the park. And within that, there's also our picnic areas. We do have 5 main picnic areas that individuals can rent shelters from or use them on a first-come, first-served basis. Within the county forest, there's 4 main habitats that are here. We've got a wetland, open water, grassland areas, forested areas, and then the open field areas as well. Within those habitats, you would, just on a generalized walk, you can see anything from deer. We haven't really seen any bear out this way, but there is a possibility. It is New York. We also have a number of various mammals like raccoons. There's a number of bird species, from grassland birds like pheasants to wetland birds like ducks and geese. And then also you'll have various coyotes run through the area that really showcase the natural habitat that's here. So I welcome any of the families out there that live outside the Genesee County to come in, enjoy our recreational value. It's really a wonderful landscape, and we have a ton of activities and opportunities to enjoy the outdoors.
We're here at the Genesee County Park and Forest Interpretive Nature Center, and this is the perfect place to start your tour of Genesee County. We have displays of the animals that live in Western New York and information about them, so you can learn about the different wildlife in Western New York that you'd find here. We also have a lot of different types of insects, different types of reptiles and amphibians too. And here you'll get a lot of information about the different birds and mammals that we have, and you'll also be able to visit our live beehive. We also have the Discovery Zone, which is designed for kids to play. So they come into the Discovery Zone, there's puzzles, there's conservationist kids magazines for them to read, there's books, coloring pages, and there's also our touch table, which allows them to explore nature in a hands-on way. The wonderful thing about visiting this park is that you can really get away. It's only 20 minutes from Batavia, but when you get here, it is quiet. And you are away from the city, and it is beautiful. There's always something new to see. Even if you've been here 100 times, you will be surprised, because that's what nature has for all of us. You can explore nature, learn about what's here, and enjoy how it changes from season to season. You can come back time and time again and always see something different.